gotta see what's on the bottom box. And the other thing, did you grab something to bring out the bottom board so that way I can check for
Oh, I did
mites?
not, but I can.
Oh,
Mites.
Let me go
oh,
grab.
mites.
Let me
Mites,
go
yep,
grab
they
something.
get, a mite will attach themselves to the abdomen.
Mm.
You guys,
That's an interesting smell.
you smell that?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I think that might be actually foul brood.
Say that again?
Foul brood?
Oh, not good.
No, that would, you'd actually, yeah, it's pretty devastating for a whole hive.
Oh my heavens, look at this one.
There's a bunch, so my queen is still in here because there's a bunch of new larvae